Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some grandma style vintage kitchen decor. Let's start the video. Grandma style vintage kitchen decor is a nostalgic and cozy design aesthetic that draws inspiration from kitchens of past generations, typically mid-20th century or earlier. It blends charm, practicality, and sentimentality, evoking the warmth, homey feel of a grandmother's kitchen. Here is a detailed breakdown of its key characteristics. Core aesthetic elements: warm, lifted look, soft, owned finishes, and slightly mismatched elements are welcomed. Think of chipped enamellar, faded florals, and diamond wood. Color palette: pastels, mint green, battered yellow, rose pink, robin's egg blue, earthy tones, cream, terracotta, minted greens. White or off-white cabinetry is common, often with a distressed finish. Pattern play: use floral prints, gingham, tulle, and polka dots, and contains aprons and dish towels. Use layered textures like lace towels, rosetted pot holders, and quilted placemats. Decor and functional pieces, open shelving or glass front cabinets. Displays of vintage pyrex, ceramic mixing bowls, and floral teacups. Showcases everyday items as decor. Use antique and reproduction appliances, retro-style refrigerators and stoves, often in pastel colors or white enamel. Cast iron or enamel cookware, especially displayed on stove tops or pot racks. Furniture: wooden farmhouse tables with spindle chairs or vintage dining set. Hosier cabinets or freestanding hatches for extra charm and storage. Vintage kitchen accessories: tin canisters, ceramic cookie jars, often in whimsical shapes, battered dishes. Manual egg beaters, rolling pins, flour sifter, and metal measuring cups as display items. Emotional and sensory touches: cinnamon scented candles or actual baking aromas, a tingling oil clock, the hum of a kettle, and the creak of wooden floors. Sentimental decor: framed handwritten recipes, vintage family photos, or embodied kitchen sayings. Use heirloom dishes, passed down bakeware, and mismatched mugs. Seasonal layers: spring or summer, with floral tea towels, vases of wildflowers, and bright pastel linens. Fall or winter, use plaid or gingham tablecloths. Warm lighting, spice tone, ceramics. The overall vibe, grandma style is unfussy and heartwarming, more about the feeling than perfection. It invites you to slow down, sip tea, and enjoy life's simple pleasures in a kitchen filled with history, comfort, and personality. Let's dive deeper into the grandma style vintage kitchen decor, exploring its roots, emotional impact, styling principles, and how it blends tradition with charm. Deeper understanding of grandma style vintage kitchen decor, roots, and inspiration. This style is inspired by kitchens from the 1920s to the 1970s, when homemaking was a cherished daily art. It reflects the post or domestic era, when homes are filled with handmade items, practical storage solutions, and lovingly collected kitchenware. It is also heavily influenced by farmhouse, cottagecore, and shabby chic aesthetic. Emotional and cultural essence. Nostalgia driven. It recalls memories of baking with grandma, hand-me-down recipes, the smell of cinnamon rolls, and the sound of old radios. Sentiment over perfection, slightly odd objects, and mismatched pictures are not flaws. They tell stories. Handmade touches, embroidered towels, crocheted trims, and patchwork pot holders add authenticity and heart. This style connects us emotionally to a simpler time where home cooked meals and family conversations around the table are central. Styling principles keep it cozy and practical. Use space efficiently, well mounted racks for pots, big boards, and small shelves. Everything should be easy to read and meant to be used and admired. Mix old and new. Pair your grandmother's china with modern light fixtures. A vintage farmhouse sink might be set below updated windows with lace curtains. Create visual warmth. Layer textures like oud, fabric, enamel, ceramics, and glass. Use soft ambient lighting. Avoid overly modern, cool-toned LEDs. Common decor themes: baking central, vintage recipe books on display, a flour sifter, measuring spoons, rolling pins, and jars, all in baking tins stacked openly. Floral and botanical elements, pressed flowers art, art planters on the windowsill, wallpaper or shelf liners with dainty florals or ivy. Tea and comfort, tea tins, kettles, and teacup collections. Use tea cozies and old-fashioned sugar bowls. A decanted tea nook or a small cat. Pantry style decor open jars or giant gourds, like flour, sugar, beans, labeled tin canisters, and pie safe or R racks filled with vintage dishes. Wall decor and art, framed needlepoint or cross stitch art, often with quotes like "Bless this kitchen." Chalkboards for grocery lists or menus. Vintage advertisements, food labels or fruit crate labels. Wall clocks in retro styles or with German materials. Where to source the look, cheap stores and flower markets. Best for authentic vintage finds is the handmade nostalgic decor. Antique malls, great for retro appliances and fabrics. DIY, create embroidered linens, reupholster vintage chairs or distressed furniture. Styling tips to kick the look. Don't try to match everything. Imperfection is part of the charm. Layer items thoughtfully. Stuck platters, hand cutting boards, damp cloths. Bring in fresh flowers or dried herbs to soften and freshness the space. Grandma style vintage kitchen decor in depth exploration. The philosophy of grandma style. This decor style is grounded in emotional memory and the comfort of family routines. Security and stability. It reflects a time when life felt slower, more grounded in tradition. Connection to generations. Many elements come from handed down items like heirloom china, embroidered linens from a relative, handwritten recipes. Domestic joy. It celebrates homemaking as a meaningful, creative activity rather than a chore. This style fits our emotional need for belonging, simplicity, and warmth. A full sensory experience. To fully embrace grandma style, consider all five senses. First, visual, soft, natural light with silk curtains, open shelves filled with worn-in charm, displayed cooking tools and nostalgic prints. Sound, ticking vintage wall clock, classic radio playing tunes, clicking dishes, and shrinking floorboards. Smell, vanilla, cinnamon, baked bread, and dried herbs. Fish, wax, candles, or fresh cut flowers. Touch, pictured dolls, quilted chair pads, raw linen, smooth enameler. Taste, encourages cooking from scratch. Pies cooling on the windowsill, soup simmering on the stove. Key furniture and hardware details, even the bones of the room support this style. Cabinetry, style notes bedboard, glass front, or open shelving with scallop trim. Countertops, Batka block tile or vintage laminate in soft hues. Sink, from house style apron sink or enamel basin. Hardware, porcelain knobs, brass candles, or old iron hooks. Flooring, checkered linoleum, warm toned oud, or radiated rugs. Textiles magic, fabrics that defines the look contains cafe style lace or gingham balances. Tablecloths, embroidered patchwork or vinyl floral. Chair cushions, padded and tied with bows. Rugs, radiated floral or needlepoint style, even across, hung on hooks become part of the decor. Authentic accents and collectibles, winter stands. Use old flower, biscuits, or tea tins. Glass canisters with handwritten or painted labels. Canning jars for storing everything from sugar to dried lavender. Cookbooks display open on a stand with vintage covers. Use old tools, wooden spoons, egg beaters, hand crafts mixers, and rolling pins. Blending old and new thoughtfully, you can modernize function while keeping the look. Use a retro-inspired slick refrigerator or modern appliances in vintage colors. Hide modern tools like microwaves or air fryers inside cabinets or behind curtains. Install modern lighting inside old-style painted lamps. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.